Hi, I'm Paul Drew from Production Expert. I've started a new recording project with James Ivy on drums and a great bass player called Dan Hawkins. Today we're going to be looking at a guitar part, and I'm going to be using an effect that comes with Studio One. So let's have a quick listen to the song. So today we're going to be looking at this particular guitar part. Now the plugin that's on this guitar part is PreSonus Rotor. So let's have a quick listen to that part on its own. Let's take off the chorus. Let's open the Rotor plugin and let's reset all of the parameters to 0. Right, let's put that guitar part on loop and solo it. Right, we're going to adjust the balance to get more top ending, as we want to adjust the balance between the woofer and the horn. Right, let's drive it a bit harder as well. Right, let's adjust the Q of the horn as well, which is the EQ of the horn part. So there it's wide, and there you can hear it quite honky. That's about right for me. Right, the next thing we're going to do is to adjust the distance, and this is going to add some space around the sound. Let's turn it all the way up. And let's turn the spread all the way up. So now we've got a bit more stereo image on it as well. Now one of the great things about this plugin is you can change the speed just like you can on a Leslie. Let's have a listen. And it slows down and speeds up. And you can automate this throughout the song. Let's leave it on fast. And let's hear that in the track. I don't get where you're from. I make love in every language. Think I'll compare it so wrong. I'm too drunk to hear your accent. I'm tired of all this conversation. I need a little bit of good translation. Don't understand what you say. So I'm Paul from Production Expert. Hope you guys got something out of that, and I'll see you guys next time.